837 days selling. Howling fear and greed index is at 24%, which is extreme fear, kind of flat on the fear and greed index. Same as on the Bitcoin price. Still trading above the 40k, but still below the 47k candle in this channel. Currently trading at 41.3k. On a 4-hour time frame, indicators are looking oversold, RSI oversold, MACD red face, volume pretty much average. Same as a daily, we had a dead cross, it's already happened like 4 days ago, already talked about that one. And currently we got 27 days for the left for the 3-month correction period, if it's gonna be a 3-month, hoping at least for the 3-month, not for the year. On the daily time frame, RSI looking oversold, MACD green face, and volume pretty much average on the daily time frame. On a weekly time frame, we are currently trading in slightly oversold zone on the RSI, which is currently 40%. MACD red face, volume average, and Bitcoin is currently trading below the September lows, which is, if you're not gonna include weeks and shadow candle, which is pretty bad. So yeah, on the monthly time frame, we're currently trading below the October, below the September, and even below the August open, which is pretty bad. But we're still trading about the 40k, and kind of we are having the uptrend support on the daily time frame that is still not broken. Obviously, if you're gonna have a close below the 40k, it would be pretty bad for the Bitcoin, but still we are trading kind of above it. You can say it's just a flat trading for the whole month, nothing special. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA for the Bitcoin. Let's move on to the 10-year treasury that is making 2-year highs right now. Gold is kind of trading flat. Crude oil is making actually 7-year highs. S&P slightly going down, 5% correction on S&P from all-time highs, but there's a possibility of having 10% correction, which would be pretty healthy compared to the previous year growth that we had. DXY kind of flat, nothing special happening on DXY, and BTC dominance currently at 40.5%, slightly going down. And obviously Ethereum, BNB, other altcoins are following the Bitcoin volatility. So yeah, it's pretty much all TA for today. Let's move on to the news. Today we got some news from Spanish regulators that is targeting the crypto investment ads. Also Tonga, which is pretty small country, like 100k citizens, will probably copy El Salvador's bill making Bitcoin legal tender, says former MP. So in a ruling that is almost identical to the El Salvador bill, Tongan bigwig Lord Fusitua anticipated that his country could adopt Bitcoin by November, which would be approximately slightly more than a half of the year for the November. So we got some time for the Tonga, and again, second country would be great for the Bitcoin adoption. Also, Georgian citizens made to swear on oath to stop mining crypto, which is pretty interesting, and a holy oath was taken to try to ensure the region's power grid would work at its most efficient level, as crypto miners are blamed for drawing off too much juice. Like approximately 5 or 7 days ago, we were talking about a city of that is called Svaneti in Georgia that is having electricity shortage because of miners. That is, again, those was coming from a government, so because of the miners, so now they are swearing on oath to not mine crypto, which is pretty interesting move by the government. Also, there's a pretty big news from Microsoft and Activision. So Microsoft's massive metaverse move, they are buying Activision for $69 billion, and it's pretty interesting number considering the current all-time high on the Bitcoin is $69 billion. So this move is approximately because of metaverse plans that is Microsoft having right now, so there would be pretty big push for the Microsoft in the metaverse world with the Activision assets. Also, Intel to reveal new energy efficient Bitcoin mining ASIC at new ISSCC event. So it's gonna be called Bonanza Mine. I'm pretty sure Bonanza, there's a plane called Bonanza, but yeah, Bonanza Mine, there's gonna be the name of this new ASIC, which would be the more efficient, like a new thing. If you're a miner, probably you would be interested. Also, on the other hand, we got a new NFT collection that we just dropped. It's called Pixel Warriors Club. It contains 1000 NFT characters. Currently it's only 100 minted out of the 1000, but we will be minting like 100 each month, 150s each month. So the next 150s will be minted in February. Again, you can check them on OpenSea, you can buy them, sell them, trade them, collect them. Also, each NFT has the unique property. You can see the rarity. For example, two swords behind is currently having 8% rarity. You can collect them, you can buy them on OpenSea. It's called Pixel Warriors Club. You should check that out. So yeah, that's pretty much all TA news for today. Obviously hoping for a nice bounce from a current position for Bitcoin to the 47k. And obviously breakout of the 47k would be nice, but again, keep it in mind, 27 days left till the 3-month correction end. I mean, it's a little bit less than a month, but again, we can wait, we have time, we have patience. So yeah, to the moon.